How to get Claude student free plan. You can either download the application or use from the browser. So if you want to use the application, simply head over to the Play Store and tap the search bar and search for Claude and hit search. And from here you can tap on the app and tap on install. But if you want to use on the browser, simply go to any browser install on your device. In my case, I'm using Chrome. You can use any other browsers also. And once you're in your home tab, simply tap on the search bar and type in Claude and hit search. Now tap on Claude. Now after the interface is loaded, simply make sure that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you'll see your plan just above here. So currently it is on free plan. You can tap on upgrade to any plan. So Anthropic does not provide any individual student free plan. So you can always use the free plan that is provided when you sign up. So the free plan includes chat on web, iOS, Android and desktop. You can generate code and visualize data. You can connect Slack and even Google Workspace, even for a student. That is very helpful. So you can also use the extended thinking for complex work, and the built-in web search is available for you. So this is what everyone gets, either students or any individuals. But if you want to upgrade, you can go to Pro and even Max. But if your team or enterprises, such as if your university provides any code or has an organizational work environment, so they may be provided with this feature. For that, they may have signed, and it allows 2 to 150 users. So you can just ask them if they have any features like this, so that all the students can enjoy. So there is a team plan supporting 150 users, and there is an enterprise plan supporting more than 20 plus users. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.